Hey guys, this is Rick. Listen, if you ever get a chance to visit Albuquerque, go straight down to 4th and Lomas by the Metropolitan courthouse. There is one hell of a wild sculpture here that is just utterly outrageous with the scribes and markings and plaques that are on it, and it represents obviously the scales of justice. I'm going to show this to you in this video, and I also took supporting photographs of each and every component as well. Hang on, here we go. You got these wild plaques here, influenced by every culture, all around this piece. This is in front of the Metropolitan courthouse. This is the second plaque here. Okay. Running. You have to remember, it's about 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So the sun's going down too at this point. And what's interesting is at the bottom of these plaques, they even have Braille. And down below, you get to see these placards here too. And this is in one of the photographs. I took a picture of the plaque that shows the artist too. Here she is. Evelyn Rosenberg, 2003, Scales of Justice. And then here's the fourth and final one over here. Now this is the base of the sculpture. It is called Scales of Justice, so now I'm going to back out and let you see what it looks like. Just to show you how tremendous and massive this thing is. Okay, there's the base where the plaques are, and the sidewalk paths where you have each of these stone tablets as well, engraved. Okay, and these are phrases from all over the world having to do with justice and the concept of it. And now I'm taking a circular walk outside the outer perimeter, so you get a good idea of what the whole thing looks like. This is the front view here. And there you go. This is truly a wild sculpture, and it's not just the sculpture itself or the massive size of it. It's the sheer detail that's gone into each of the plaques and the stone tablets. This is just utterly amazing. I know I haven't done a video for you guys in a while, and I figured I'd take this opportunity here. I want to see if I can get a full-on taller view here. And of course, in case you're wondering, there's the courthouse itself. Right at the top there, State of New Mexico, Metropolitan Courthouse. What's interesting is, and I know they did this on purpose, here's the Scale of Justice. Scales of Justice. There's the time clock right behind it up there. So, and that did not happen by accident. And I'm going to flip this around like this, therefore you can see a full-on view of this bad boy. And I am backing up further to get more of it in. So there you go. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video there. And like I said, you ever get around here, come visit it yourself. The markings, the plaques, they are outstanding. Bye-bye.